Welcome to my YouTube channel.
We're going to talk about this conversion. We have 1,000 milligrams and we want to know how many grams that is. And you will see this with some medications going from 1,000 milligrams to grams. This is something that you will definitely see as a nurse. So we have our setup here. Remember that you want to write down all the letters and the little abbreviations underneath each one. Do not forget to write down the units, meter, liter, gram. We have 1,000 milligrams. Milli is here. And we want to know how many grams there is in 1,000 milligrams. So we start here and we need to get here because grams is here under units. So are we moving to the right or the left? Where are we moving this invisible decimal place that is invisibly behind this last zero? To the right or the left to get to grams? We're going to move it to the left. Now, how many times do we move it to the left? We have milligram, we want gram. To get there, we go 1, 2, 3. We're going to move it 3 times to the left. So we'll just work it out down here. We have 1,000 set up here. Invisible decimal place here. We're going to move it to the left 3 times. 1, 2, 3, dot. So when we write this answer, we are going to write 1. Now, most nursing schools will introduce you to dosage rules the first day. Some may not. So please be aware that there are dosing rules that you need to follow, such as no trailing zeros. This is why I did not write 1.000. These are trailing zeros. Can you imagine what would happen in a healthcare setting if someone wrote 1.000 and they barely put that dot there? Someone may mistakenly give 1,000 instead of just 1 gram. So 1 gram compared to 1,000 grams, that's a big difference, which will lead to a medication error. So never, no trailing zeros. We just take the whole number. We want to lead with a 0. Leading with a 0, and this has nothing to do with this problem, would be always have a 0 if you have a number like this. So you will always have a 0 in front of the decimal place. Always, but never trail zeros behind a decimal place. Just take the number, which is why the answer is 1. Okay? The answer is 1 gram.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.